In this video you will learn how to improve your fishing rod by adding a 36-foot rod ruler to it. Two transparent low-profile waterproof sticker ruler decals come in a box with instructions and alcohol cloth to prepare the surface before applying the stickers. This decal is 36-inch long, but you can cut it if it is too long. I will attach the second decal to two other rods. First, you need to find a good place on the rod. I will put it on a side right above the upper handle. Clean the surface with alcohol wipes to remove any dirt or grease. Carefully peel off the backing of the decal and align it along the rod. Start from one end and press firmly as you go to avoid air bubbles. To secure the adhesion, press down firmly along the entire length of the decal to ensure it sticks well. When that is done, use the air blower to warm up the decal and apply pressure towards the edges. Make sure there are no air bubbles. Make a final inspection, and if everything looks good, allow it to set for a few hours before use. And here is your ruler right there where you need it. No need to hunt for your fish ruler ever again. Now you can measure fish while it is still on a hook.